10 places in the world that even scientists can't explain. Kodinhi, India. Popularly known as the village of twins, Kodini is a small village in Kerala, and you'll be surprised to know that almost every family in this South Indian village has a pair of twins. Some villages are known for their beauty, some for their talent, some for their traditions, but this village is known for its baffling number of twin births since 1949. In the rest of the world, the average record is 6 twins per 1,000 deliveries, but here it is 42 twins per 1,000 deliveries. It is estimated that in the village that has a population of around 2,000 families, there are at least 400 pairs of twins. Fairy circles, Namibia. You will have to travel all the way to the Namib Desert to witness these peculiar patterns of circles or red circular patches. This is not the work of actual fairies or the gods, as the locals believe. Even though the local legends are considered myths, the real cause is still a mystery. Several theories have been speculated about this strange place, but no one really knows why or how these circles exist. One theory suggests that there are termite nests beneath the surface and that each circle is a termite colony. Another theory suggests that these patterns are made by competition for water. The Devil's Kettle, USA. A waterfall in Minnesota, the Devil's Kettle is spectacular and perplexing. It is believed that if anything goes down here, it never comes back. Also, this waterfall is divided into two, out of which one flows into the river, normally as it should. But the other one just disappears. Scientists and researchers have tried tracing the disappearing stream, but they haven't been quite successful. Kamakya Devi Temple, India. One of the oldest of the 51 Shaktipithas, Kamakya Devi, is a beautiful hilltop temple situated in Assam. Do you know what Shaktipithas are? They are the place where the body parts of goddess Sati fell on this planet. If the legends are to be believed, then this temple is built on a spot where the yoni or the vagina of the goddess Sati fell. This is not a mystery. The mystery is that every year for 3 days in June, the Brahmaputra river becomes red. It is said that the goddess goes through her menstrual cycle during this time, and therefore the river turns red. Stonehenge, England. Stonehenge is a more than 5,000 years old structure in England, and it is shrouded with mystery and magic. It has been a subject of interest for quite a few years. With a circular cluster of massive megalith stones constructed with unique bluestone material, we have to say that Stonehenge is the most architecturally sophisticated prehistoric stone circle in the world. It is believed that the unique bluestone that was used to make these structures are only found in Preseli Hills, located in Pembrokeshire, which is hundreds of kilometers away from this place. So, how did the Neolithic people manage to transport such huge rocks, and also, what is the purpose behind building this structure? Nobody knows. Crooked Forest, Poland. There is a grove of 400 oddly shaped trees in the small town of Gryfino, Poland. Even though these trees are strange and grow weird, they are quite healthy and grow up to 50 feet. Reportedly, these trees were planted between 1930 and 1945. Several theories have been speculated to comprehend the crooked shape of these pine trees. Some theories suggest that the shape of the tree might have changed because of genetic mutation, while others suggest that it could be heavy snowstorms, gravitational pulls, or even aliens. The Petrifying Well, England. Do you remember the story of King Midas? The kind who had the ability to turn anything that he touched into gold. Well, this place can turn anything into stone that touches it. Anything that is left near or in the well, that object will acquire a stony exterior. For some time, This was considered magic or witchcraft. But then it was discovered that it is a natural phenomenon and it happens due to the process of evaporation and deposition in waters with high mineral content. But still, it does not explain why it happens so quickly. Kyaiktiyo Pagoda, Myanmar. A renowned Buddhist pilgrimage site in Mon State, Myanmar, Kyaiktiyo Pagoda, is a small pagoda built on a rock. It looks like the rock is going to fall any minute, but you'll be surprised to know that it has been sitting there for over 2,500 years. It is believed that the rock is held by the hair of Buddha. Legends and miracles are the only way to explain this. How else would you explain a rock hanging without any support? It is also believed that the rock can only be moved by a woman, and so women are not allowed to touch this rock. The Boiling River, Peru. Boiling River exists, but this one is different. For quite a few years, the existence of a boiling river was considered a legend, but in recent years, explorers and researchers have discovered a river in the dense jungle of the Peruvian Amazon whose temperature can go up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. But the most surprising and intriguing thing about this place is that the nearest volcano is 700 kilometers away from this place. So, what is the reason behind its high temperature? Ringing Rocks County Park, Pennsylvania. A fascinating field of rocks that make ringing sounds when struck, this place is truly mysterious. We have all heard of the game musical chairs, but have you heard of something called musical rocks? The rocks here produce strange yet pleasant metallic clanking sounds. When one rock is struck, the sound produced is almost inaudible, but it emits metallic almost xylophone-esque clamor when struck together. The reason behind this strange phenomenon is still a mystery.